Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Revolut. First, open the Revolut app, go to the crypto section, and select the crypto you want to receive. Tap Send and copy your deposit address. Open Trust Wallet and select the same cryptocurrency. Tap Send, paste the Revolut deposit address, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the details and confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to complete. It may take a few minutes depending on the network. And that's it. Your crypto is now in Revolut and ready to use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.